Okay, everyone, in this section, I'm going to introduce you the sequencer and the cameras, how they work, how to animate them, and to be ready to animate our cinematic with the car. So for this case, I will use this map, Beach P. And here now I will show you all of the cameras and tools which we can use to make the animations and to look realistic. So first, okay, now we are in our level, and now let's add the first camera. So you have to come here and to click cinematic and cine camera actor. So this will be our first camera inside the viewport. And here on the right corner, you can see how is it through this camera. So for you can do it from here as well. So perspective, cinema, camera, actor from here, and now you can move the camera and to see through the camera. And for example, this is the view of our car like that. Okay, now we don't have any focus, but now let's add some focus. Okay, so how to add focus? You have to come here to details, and here is the current aperture, and we have to extend it. The maximum is 22. So now we have the perfect focus everywhere in our scene. So if you want to have the perfect photo focus everywhere, you have to make it 22 here. Okay, let's see how it looks like through a path tracer. Okay, it looks good. It looks okay. Let's zoom out a bit just to check from the top. Okay, not bad. Very good. Where are our parking lines? Maybe we delete them. I don't know. Yeah, they're not here. Very strange. This is a level where they have to be inside. Okay, so now we are see through the camera. So if you want to switch it, just click somewhere here after that perspective, and now you are not inside the camera. Okay, we can do it without the lines. It's okay. And yep. Okay, let's continue through the camera. So perspective again, cine camera actor. Let's rotate the camera straight to our car, and here we can choose our camera, which camera to use. So for example, I'm using this one, 16:9 DSLR, and it's realistic. And here you can change the sensor width and height. So it's totally up to you how you want to be your viewport of the animation and of your camera. I will bring it back to 36 by default. And we have a focal length. So this is the focal length. You can see what we are doing with our camera. Yes. Okay, so let's check what we have here. So we have a focus setting. So now let's play with the focus a bit, because it's important to know how to use it. So we will click draw debug focus plane here to see where our focus is starting. So let's see where is our debug plane. So it's not here. So we have to move it like that closer. So our focus will start from behind the car, for example. So now let's stop this line here. And now we have to here with the focus mode interspeed, just to move it a bit or to keep the same. And here let's continue to move it. Okay, something like that. And now you can see we are this focusing, blurring the background of the car, also with the car, but now we have to play with the current aperture and with the focus settings. So let's play with these values. Okay, now we don't have any focus here on the barriers, and we have focus on our car. And here you can see it's blurring here where is our sun, so it looks fine. And with these values here, with the manual focus distance and with the current aperture, you can choose from where to start your focus, from where to stop it, and how to mix it together. So use these both values, guys, to practice. And here we have the focal length, which by default has to be 35, I think, something like that. It's totally up to you. You can use it to make interesting effects for your cameras. We will use it when we are building our cinematic. So yeah, let's continue with other stuff here. Let's see if we have something more in the camera here. Crop setting. No. Okay, so this is enough for the camera. Now I will move back to perspective, not through the camera, and now I will show the other stuff which we can use to build a better cinematic.